Hi, my name is Linda Steinberg. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I have been a dentist for over 30 years. So on this course I was expecting to come away with some strategies and tools and processes to approach the tooth wear that I see in my practice, to be able to communicate with people, my patients, about the reasons why they're experiencing tooth wear, to alert them to the fact that they are experiencing wear, because a lot of people don't realise it. You know, I need to be able to approach things from the perspective of being comprehensive. My takeaway from the course is not to cut any corners with respect to treatment planning, to treat every patient with the same approach. It doesn't matter how severe their wear is. It doesn't matter how old the patient is. If you approach everybody in the same way, use the same steps, and if you're systematic and follow everything, then you'll get a reliable result. I would recommend this course to any dentist. I actually wish that I had done this course years ago myself, because as we're exposed to people with more stress, or people whose diets are not ideal with respect to acid intake, or have medical problems, we just see so many people everyday practice, and it doesn't matter how old you are or how you are as a dentist and how many years experience you've had, you are going to see people with wear of their teeth every day. So I would recommend this course to anyone of any experience. And Andrea is so wonderful at answering questions, and it doesn't matter how much experience you've got. If you have had minimal experience, she'll still be able to break it down and explain things to you in a very easy to understand, very patient way. The facilities are absolutely magnificent. I have done a lot of courses over the last 10 or so years, in particular weekend courses. I've done a lot of travelling for courses as well. I've been overseas. I've been all around Australia, and this facility is by far the best I've ever experienced. Andrea is incredibly generous, organising all of our transportation, providing magnificent food. The actual facilities and what she provides for us to use as hands-on practical work is also very, very good quality, and there's no cost spared.